सो सैनिटेशन एंड डिजीज, ओके, सैनिटेशन एंड डिजीज, सैनिटेशन हो गया यानी कि स्वच्छता, और डिजीज की बीमारियां होती हैं, ठीक है। पुअर सैनिटेशन एंड कंटेमिनेटेड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इज द कॉज ऑफ ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डिजीजेस, ओके। अगर स्वच्छता अच्छे से नहीं रखी जाएगी और हम दूषित पानी पी रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो उससे क्या होता है, बहुत सारी डिजीज होने की संभावना रहती है। लेट अस लुक एट आवर ऑन कंट्री। नाउ वी हैव टू सी ऑन आवर कंट्री, अपने देश में देखें। अ वास्ट नंबर ऑफ आवर पीपल आर स्टिल विदाउट सीवरेजेस फैसिलिटीज। वेयर डू दे relieve themselves, okay? A large fraction of our people deficient, okay, uh, defecates in the open or dry riverbeds, on railway tracks, near fields, and many human excreta, okay, and sorry, many a time directly in water, okay. Untreated human excreta is a health hazard, okay. It may cause water pollution and soil pollution. Both the surface water and groundwater get polluted, okay. Groundwater is a source of water for wells, tube wells, springs, and many rivers, as you learned in chapter 16. Okay. Thus, it became the most common route for waterborne diseases. Okay, they include cholera, typhoid, polio, okay, meningitis, hepatitis, and dysentery. So, we talk about these. Okay, cholera is the main. You can say that pandemic disease one time. Okay, it has become the pandemic disease at the time, previous time. Okay, so these are the mainly diseases, and these are all waterborne diseases. Okay. Then Bujo wants to know how sewage is disposed of in an aeroplane. So he's just curious about it. Okay. So if we see it, then first we complete it, then we will discuss on it. Alternative arrangement for sewage disposal. To improve sanitation, low cost on-site sewage disposal system are being increased. Examples are septic tanks, chemical toilets, composting pits. Okay, septic tanks are suitable for places where there is no sewerage system, for hospital, isolated buildings, or a cluster, okay, of 4 to 5 houses. So mainly septic tanks are there used. Some organizations offer hygienic on-site human waste disposal technology. These toilets do not require scavenging. Okay, excreta from the toilet seats flow through covered drains into a biogas plant. The biogas produced is used as a source of energy. Okay, so these are the some, you can say, alternatives. Okay, where see proper sewage disposal not possible, okay, or for a small amount or for a large amount. Okay, so these type of arrangement will be provided. Then sanitation at public places. Okay, in our country fairs are organized periodically, ठीक है, मेलों का आयोजन किया जाता है. A large number of people participate in them. In the same way, railway stations, bus depots, airports, hospitals are very busy places. As you know, thousands of people visit them daily. Large amount of waste is generated. Okay, here it must be disposed of properly. Otherwise, epidemics could break out. Okay, so the government has laid down certain standard of sanitation, but unfortunately they are not strictly enforced. However, all of us can contribute in maintaining sanitation at public places. We should not scatter litter anywhere. Okay, if there is no dustbin in sight, we should carry the litter home and throw it in the dustbin. Okay, so these are the thing which can we do by our own and help. Okay, so conclusion, if we move to the conclusion of this chapter, we all have a role to play in keeping our environment clean and healthy. You must realize your responsibilities in maintaining the water sources in a healthy state. Adopting good sanitation practices should be our way of life. As an agent of change, your individual initiative will make a great difference. Influence others with your energy, ideas, and optimism. Okay, a lot can be done if people work together. there is great power in collective action. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi also said that no one need to wait for anyone else to adopt a human and enlightened course of action. Okay, so these are the things which we read in this chapter. Okay, the keywords which you understand by this chapter: aeration, aerobic bacteria, anaerobic bacteria, biogas, contaminant, sanitation, sewage, sewerage, sludge, wastewater. Okay, these are the keywords of this chapter, and what you have learned in this chapter from begin to end. Used water is wastewater. Okay, wastewater could be reused, and wastewater is generated in homes, industries, agricultural fields, and in other human activities. This is called sewage. Sewage is a fluid waste which causes water and soil pollution. Wastewater is treated in a sewage treatment plant. Treatment plants reduce pollutants in wastewater to a level where nature can take care of it. When where underground, okay, sewerage system and refuse disposal system are not available, the low cost on-site sanitation system can be adopted. Okay, by products of wastewater treatment are sludge and biogas. Open drain system is a breeding place for flies, mosquitoes, and organisms which cause diseases. We should not defect it the open. Okay, it is possible, okay, to have safe disposal of excreta by low cost method. Okay, so these are the things which you have learned in this chapter. Now we will move to the exercise. Okay, first is fill in the blanks. Cleaning of water is a process of removing, okay, it is removing pollutants. So here you have to fill pollutants. And second one, wastewater released by houses is called sewage. And third, dried is used dried sludge is used as manure. Okay, and drains get blocked by and oil and yes, no oil okay. So other hmm. What is sewage? Explain why it is harmful to discharge untreated sewage into rivers or seas. Hmm. Okay, harmful to discharge. What can be harm of this? Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Second question is related to the fill in the blanks. Why should oils and fats do not be not released in train? Explain. Because what it can do, fats and oils. Hmm. Hmm. It means drains get blocked. यहीं पे दिया था ना, अभी हमने इसी का आंसर दिया था, देखो इसको ध्यान से देखा करो. Great. Drains get blocked by these fats and oils. Okay. Then steps. Can you tell me the steps involving in getting clarified from wastewater in your own terms, or what is sludge? Any one question. Untreated human excreta is health hazard. Name two chemicals used to disinfect water, or explain the function of bar screen. Okay, so you have to prepare it. Okay, next week when the class is open, I am asking you questions. Okay, after that when I send you. Okay, crossword puzzle. It is possible you can give the answer crossword puzzle. In across, we have to see first liquid waste products. In third one, here we have to fill liquid waste product. So the answer for third one is sewage. Okay, untreated water है ना ये. It's a sludge. SLUDGE. स्लज हो जाएगा. ओके, सीवेज लिक्विड में आ जाएगा और स्लज ड्राइड में. नेक्स्ट इज a word related to hygiene. So here will be come sanitation. Okay, you have to fill with the pencil only on your book. Excreta you can write. Excreta, mainly excreta word जो है सब में आ जाता है ना, excreta. Okay students, excreta, they also fill EXCRETA, excreta. Now we have to see down. Okay, used water. It is very easy. Used water is one man of waste water. WASTE. Okay, waste water you can fill. Waste water यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Next one, a pipe carrying sewage. Sewer नहीं आएगा, इसमें 4 ही word हो रहे हैं. So here will be SEWER, sewer. Microorganism which cause cholera. Fifth one, it is V. So we can write here bacteria. BACTERIA, bacteria. Last one is a chemical to disinfect water. So we have to fill here ozone. OZONE. Okay, this is the chemical used for if you treat it. Okay, water treatment के लिए बायोकेमिकल जो यूज किया जाता है. It is essential for breathing of living organisms, or it is used to disinfect water. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. It proportion in air about 3%. So what will the right answer? It is essential for breathing also. Ozone. B and C. Okay, 2 only. 3% भी नहीं होता है, 0.3% होता है, बहुत minute point में. Okay, so right answer is B and C. Second is the right answer. It is used to disinfect water. अभी हमने देखा. Okay, and it absorbs ultraviolet rays also. Okay, main function is